This MyQ Smart Garage Hub by Chamberlain. It's a smartphone garage door opener.
Yeehaw! Another segment for PappysCorner coming up.
Get control from anywhere using your smartphone. MyQ Smart Garage Hub uses your home Wi-Fi network to easily monitor and manage your garage door from anywhere. Check the status of your door, receive activity alerts, open and close your door, all from your smartphone. So I'm going to do an unboxing, a review, and an install. Okay, welcome to your smarter home. Oh yes. Chamberlain MyQ. And looks like there's a LED light inside there. Nicely packaged. There's protective film over here to keep fingerprints and what have you. Nice pristine surface. And I believe this is the receiving unit. There's the instructions. And this unit, I believe, will mount on the garage door, and it'll just ride up and down with the garage door to let this unit know that it's either open or closed. So you can see everything was very nicely packaged. Comes with a Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub Quick Start Guide. So there's a tab there, I think, that needs to get pulled. We'll just go ahead and pull that because I know what that is. There. Now the battery should be good. And let's see what else we might have here. Oh yes. Power source, of course. And that should plug into here. Looks like right here there's a plug for the charger, and there's some buttons on here. It's got a like a star and a 1 and a 2. Other than that, that star just might be the light for in there. So we shall find out when we look at the instructions. And here's the mounting hardware. And we have an empty box. Chamberlain Smart Garage Hub called the MyQ system. Now that I concur what's in the box, the next step is install the MyQ app for the setup. So I need to download the MyQ app and apply the warning label. And the detailed instructions for the MyQ app setup can be found online at support.chamberlaingroup.com. It says right here. I was able to get the app downloaded on my phone, and it's given me instructions. And right now it has told me to put these, it's not double-sided tape, it's Velcro. So I'm going to put these on the remote like it says. There we go. And then right here it says top. Make sure I have it about the right distance away. There, now. The top will be there. There it is, it's on with the Velcro. Now I've gone to my smartphone and open the app to MyQ. And it says the garage door is closed for 2 minutes. So push the button there. Garage door opening, and it's not opening for 8 seconds, 9, 10. So for some reason, it's not opening yet. But looks like I got some troubleshooting. Okay, well, I will explain to you what happened since I didn't get it on film. But I went back to the beginning of the instructions, and this time it took me through a scenario where I needed to enter the serial number of the hub, and then I had to pair it with the motor for the garage door opener. So I had to push the button on there for it to pair up. Then it made a connection, and now the instructions are, I'm going to push next step, and there's a little video here. It's going to show me how to mount my hub, and it says find a spot to mount your hub. This could be the ceiling, a side wall, or opposing wall to the garage door, at least 6 feet above the ground. So I'm just going to go ahead and mount it right up next to my garage door opener. I think for doing this, I'm going to take my hat off just so I don't knock it off. And I'll mount this unit. There we go. We'll decide what to do with the cord here. But it's going to plug in right underneath here. So I'll get a zip tie and we'll tie that up. Ready to go. And it's got a blinking blue light, but it's, oh, just went to green. So that tells me it's ready to go. Plug in your smart garage hub. Solid green LED will turn on in 1 minute. Wrap excess cord around mounting bracket. There. Let's get her done. You want to? All right, there it is, mounted to the ceiling. And I had a couple of cable staples. I stapled the wire and plugged her in. So it's ready to go. Okay, here comes the test. There's my Q app coming up. And says the door is closed for 33 minutes. So I think all I have to do is tap that, hit open. Yes, there goes the door. Even tells you garage door is opening for 8, 9, 10 seconds. Now the garage door is open. Awesome. And even the dog knows the garage door is open. So let's see if we can close it. Close. Oh, warning light flashing. There it comes. Awesome. So, another review and install for you, an unboxing, and thank you for coming to the corner today. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.